childhood, I eaten a lot like this. It's condensed milk. So I'm trying a condensed milk bread today. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. With this recipe, we can make 2 loaves of medium-sized bread. We need milk 250 ml onto a bowl, 75 grams of condensed milk, crack 1 egg, sugar 2 tablespoons, yeast 7 grams. Combine well. Add 400 grams of flour, salt 1 teaspoon and combine well. Dough consistency, add 50 grams of butter and mix well. Onto a clean surface, dust some flour and knead well at least 10 minutes. When you can see a sunlight, when you stretch the dough, that means it's ready to proof. Rub some oil onto a bowl, add the dough, cover and place in a warm place, let it proof for 1 hour. After 1 hour, remove it, punch the air out. Remove the dough from the bowl, cut into 2 pieces, gently press and using a roller, flatten it out. Roll tightly like this and seal all the edges. Cut into 6 pieces. Transfer the loaf into a parchment-lined tray. Do with the second one also and proof for 45 minutes. For brushing, crack some egg, 2 tablespoons of milk, beat well onto a 350 Fahrenheit oven. Brush the egg wash on top of the loaf. Place in the oven, cook for 20 to 22 minutes. You can see a golden color, beautiful 2 loaves of condensed milk bread. Remove from the oven, let it cool down. By the time we can make a glaze, we need 3 tablespoons of melted butter and 3 tablespoons of condensed milk. Mix well and brush the glaze on top of the loaf. You can get a fluffy, soft, beautiful, warm, buttery condensed milk bread like this. The condensed milk bread is ready. Don't worry, I started already eating. The bread is so soft, not too sweet. It have the flavors of a brioche bread and a normal bread. It's in the middle. We can eat like this. Very good. If you like this recipe, please give me support by subscribing my channel Joss Moses Kitchen. See you with a new video. Bye.